Hey everyone, this is Steve from GamersNexus.net, and this is the video for our new Patreon page. I've got about $1,500 worth of hardware behind me right now, and what we want to do is produce several in-depth videos talking about components, and I don't just mean the motherboard, I mean the capacitors, the VRM, the MOSFETs, and talking about what it means to you as a consumer. These videos aren't easy, and the conventions we go to are expensive. Patreon makes our ability to deliver content more feasible. Patreon is sort of like Kickstarter, except it's in burstier increments for people who produce content more frequently. With Kickstarter, you might give $20 or $50 at a time for a project, but with Patreon, you can tip $1 at a time or $5 at a time or whatever amount you want. And we usually release a few hardware guide videos per month, so you'd be tipping us for each of those videos we release. You can also set a maximum amount you're willing to tip per month, so if we release a lot of videos, you won't go over that amount. Supporters help keep us going, but I want to make sure you're rewarded for being involved with GN, so I'll keep a subscribers-only Patreon blog where you can see what I'm working on as I'm working on it. Or if you're working on a PC project and need expert advice, I can connect you with industry experts or get answers for you. As an extra bonus, if you need advice on getting into the games industry or hardware industry, I can help with that too. So I hope you're all as excited as I am to learn more about computer hardware, and I will see you all next time. Peace.